Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned into Life with JesseRae and I am JesseRae. Here on my channel, I do videos related to makeup, beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, and more. So if you're interested in any of those types of things there, definitely click that subscribe button so you know when I post my next video. So in today's video, guys, I'm just going to be showing y'all how I style my box braids. As you can see right now, they are down, and this is like, of course, the most easiest hairstyle there is for box braids. You can always wear them down, you know? I mean, why get inches if you're not going to wear it down? But anyway, and again, guys, thanks for tuning in, and let's hop on into this video, all right? So, hairstyle number one is of course, down, you know, it's all down. Well, it's not all down. It's kind of like I have it down, and then I got this piece pulled to the side so that it kind of stays like this. So, yeah, this is style number one, y'all. All right? And then if you want, style number two. You have you can do the half up, half down. That's cute. You know, oh, this is my scrunchie, y'all. Yeah, so the half up, half down is cute. It's another hairstyle you could do. Or you could do the bun. I like to twist mine because I just like to twist better than just wrapping it around. It was a little tight. You could do the bun. Half up with the bun. And I also like when I don't want to wear a ponytail, but I don't want my hair to like fall back in my face. I'll grab like that is all I have for this video. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you guys see more videos like this from me. And yeah, Thanks so much for watching, y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.